There's a growing market of accessories that can easily turn your ordinary car into something more functional, but these upgrades aren't found in normal shops. They're listed online, especially on platforms like Amazon and AliExpress. In this video, we are going to take a look at some of the most interesting car gadgets available on these platforms and explore what actually makes sense to add to your vehicle. All the mentioned products links are in the description below. Number 30. Rust-proof electric steps. Got a lifted truck and struggled to climb in and out comfortably? These smart running boards solve that problem by automatically extending when you open the door and retracting once you close it, giving easier access while keeping a clean look and better aerodynamics. Built from strong materials like marine-grade aluminum and reinforced steel components, they can support heavy weight and handle rough weather and tough road conditions. Different versions offer added features like deeper lowering for taller trucks, stronger dual motors for extreme environments, and even customizable lighting that you can control through your phone. Number 29. Racebox meterbox. It accurately measures key stats like 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration and quarter-mile times, giving you precise feedback on how your vehicle performs. The lap timer shows quick, easy-to-read information, whether you are on a track day or just monitoring your driving on the road. It also includes a drag meter that tracks braking force and speed performance, and it can be used in different vehicles, not just one car. Number 28. Car Genie. Stop struggling with tangled cables and having to plug your phone in every time you step into the car. This small adapter makes it easy by turning your wired system into a wireless setup in just a few seconds. You simply plug it into the USB port, pair it with your phone, and it automatically connects whenever you start the vehicle. It upgrades your screen experience so you can access apps, navigation, and media more smoothly without replacing the original system. Number 27. Ultra Glaco Windshielder. When heavy rain hits and visibility drops, this water repellent treatment becomes your reliable partner on the road. It creates a strong protective layer on the windshield that pushes water away so droplets quickly slide off instead of blocking your view. The advanced coating is built to last, staying effective even against wipers and cleaning detergents, while keeping glass clear from dirt, grease, and stubborn residue. Number 26. IQAir Atem Car Purifier. If you want cleaner air inside your vehicle, this air purifier can create fresher space around you while you drive. It features touch-sensitive controls that let you turn it on or off and adjust fan speeds with a simple tap. Instead of slowly circulating air through the whole cabin like standard purifiers, it focuses on delivering clean air directly to your breathing zone wherever it is placed. This makes it a practical option for reducing dust and pollutants inside the car, especially during daily commutes or long trips. Number 25. Maxicom Scanner. This professional automotive scanner is designed to test and diagnose multiple vehicle systems with ease. It connects through the OBD2 port and supports a wide range of car brands, allowing you to read and clear fault codes, program injectors, bleed ABS systems, calibrate steering sensors, reset oil services, register batteries, and perform many advanced functions. One of its strongest features is bidirectional control, which lets you send commands to test components directly from the device. It also comes with Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can transfer data, connect to a computer, or print detailed vehicle reports remotely. Number 24. Tracki GPS. Car theft can happen to anyone, but having a GPS tracker gives you an extra layer of awareness. This compact device can be placed inside a magnetic case and attached underneath your vehicle, allowing you to monitor its location in real time. It supports wide area network coverage, giving you tracking access across long distances. The rechargeable battery can last several days with continuous tracking, and much longer when set to power saving mode. It is not limited to vehicles either. You can also place it inside a bag or backpack. Number 23. Car Alarm Security System. This vehicle alarm system delivers sound and light alerts with an emergency feature and an induction function that prevents engine start without authorization. Built with a durable ignition wire, it ensures stable electrical performance. The detachable coil simplifies installation and maintenance, ideally mounted under the steering wheel. Proper grounding is essential for smooth starting. Wiring includes ACC, on and fire lines. The passive ID sensor card operates without batteries, enhancing security and anti-theft reliability. Number 22, Pictrey Dash Cam. This dash camera feels like a true co-pilot that stays focused on the road for you. It records in 4K ultra high definition, capturing clear details like license plates and bright headlights even at night without losing quality. The smart driver assistance system gives real-time alerts to keep you aware and even reminds you when it's time to take a break from driving. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can connect it to an app to watch, edit, and share your clips. It also detects sudden impacts and automatically records in high quality to protect your vehicle, even when you are not around. Number 21, Star Wars Charger. If you're a fan of Star Wars, this fun car charger adds a little personality to your dashboard. Shaped like R2-D2, it sits neatly in your cup holder and plugs into the car's power outlet for instant power. It comes with 2 USB ports on the front, so you can charge a phone and tablet at the same time without any hassle. The small details make it even better, with a light-up eye and a rotating head that give it a playful touch. Number 20, Brake Fluid Tester. This brake fluid tester is compatible with most vehicles and supports DOT3, DOT4, and DOT5.1 fluids. It features a flexible probe with built-in lighting for accurate and convenient testing. A backlit display and alarm system provide clear and immediate results when moisture levels are too high. Designed with a durable ergonomic body, it is suitable for workshops and personal use and includes a 1-year repair service. Number 19, Car Neck Pillow. Long drives can quickly become tiring for both the driver and passengers, especially when sitting in one position for hours. Discomfort usually builds up from poor posture and lack of proper support, which can strain your neck and upper body. This supportive cushion is designed to reduce that pressure by offering balanced comfort. It's made from quality material that's firm enough to hold your head and neck in place, but soft enough to feel natural. It attaches to the seat in just a few seconds and stays secure during the ride. Number 18, Flexible Oil Funnel. This flexible funnel prevents oil spills by bending to fit tight engine spaces and directing fluids accurately. Its compact roll-up design makes storage easy while remaining ready for instant use. The waterproof silica gel surface ensures simple cleaning and long-lasting durability through repeated use. Built to withstand extreme temperatures, it performs reliably in all seasons. Number 17, Carsifi Adapter. This adapter makes it easier by turning your wired setup into a wireless one. You just plug it into the USB port, connect it to your phone through Bluetooth, and it starts working without the need for cables. It helps reduce disconnections and keeps the connection simple and consistent. It works with cars that already support Android Auto, making your driving experience more convenient and clutter-free. Number 16, CargoSmart LED. This S-curve loading ramp features a dual-arch high-traction surface and supports up to 750 pounds per ramp. Built-in LED lights improve visibility during loading and unloading. Adjustable safety straps and a smooth top plate enhance stability and safety. Constructed from aluminum and reinforced polymer, it folds for compact storage while delivering strong durability for trucks, equipment, and outdoor use. Number 15, Vantrue E1 Pro. This compact 4K dash cam uses an 8-megapixel sensor and a 158-degree lens to capture ultra-clear footage with strong detail protection. Plate picks and Starvis to enhance night performance and license plate visibility. It supports buffered parking recording with multiple modes, requiring a hardwire kit. With 5G Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and voice control, it enables easy file management and hands-free operation. Number 14, Bluetooth Battery Monitor. This device provides Bluetooth battery monitoring with real-time alerts to prevent unexpected power failure. It offers waterproof protection and built-in safety features against short circuits and reverse polarity, supporting all 12-volt vehicles. With ultra-low power consumption, it delivers up to 5 years of standby time. The free app supports multiple languages and detailed data tracking. Installation is quick and simple, with added features like vehicle locating and trip recording. Number 13, VEVOR Electric Car Jack. This 3.0-ton electric scissor jack lifts vehicles quickly with a range of 130 to 370 millimeters using the short head and 170 to 420 millimeters with the long head. It works for sedans, SUVs, and vans, making roadside tire changes easier. Powered by a 12-volt source with an extended cable, it reaches full height in minutes and stops automatically for safety. Number 12, VDIAGTOOL VC300. The VC300 paint thickness gauge is a professional grade tool for measuring vehicle coating thickness with high accuracy. It features a dual automatic substrate detection and a 0 to 59 mm measurement range with accuracy, multiple calibration modes, single/continuous testing, 1,500 data storage records, and trend analysis improve inspection efficiency. Designed for auto professionals, it safely measures paint depth on steel and aluminum surfaces without damage. Number 11. NAZZO Car Visor Extender. This magnetic sun visor extension provides adjustable full-angle protection against strong sunlight and glare. It attaches securely without tools and stays stable while driving. Compatible with most vehicles, it fits visors up to 9.4 inches high and works for both driver and passenger sides. The polarized lens blocks UV rays, improves visibility, and resists fingerprints through a touch-free adjustment design for safer and clearer driving. Number 10. Inflatable Car Air Mattress. This inflatable car mattress fits most sedans, SUVs, and MPVs with dimensions for the bed, plus a backrest and foot support section. It is made from durable PVC and flocked material with an anti-collision design and child safety barrier for secure travel. Suitable for camping, road trips, and outdoor use, it offers comfort and storage functionality. The included 12-volt electric pump enables fast and easy inflation through a double-layer valve system. Number 9. Blind Spot Convex Car Mirror. This engineered blind spot mirror provides wider coverage with 3 times magnification for better rear visibility. It uses strong outdoor-grade adhesive for secure mounting and resists weather and car washes. The frameless design ensures a clean, factory-like look while reducing distractions. Designed to improve safety during lane changes, it offers an affordable alternative to monitoring systems. Number 8. Rohent Baby Car Camera. If you're a parent who wants to keep an eye on your baby while driving, this kind of car camera makes monitoring much easier. It gives you a clear view of your child through a high-resolution display and shows smooth, detailed images of their movements and surroundings. The wide-angle lens helps you see more inside the car, and the low-light feature makes it usable even when the cabin is dark. It's simple to set up with a secure mount that attaches to the dashboard or headrest, and it powers on through the car's power outlet. Number 7. Wheel Dolly Car Skates. This heavy-duty wheel dolly lifts up to 1,250 pounds per wheel and fits tires up to 12 inches wide, making it ideal for cars and light vans. The ratcheting foot pedal enables quick hands-free lifting. 4 4-inch 360-degree swivel casters provide smooth mobility, while the steel construction ensures durability and safety. Small in size and portable, it is perfect for emergency vehicle movement and workshop use. Number 6. Disklok Security Device. This heavy-duty steering wheel immobilizer delivers strong anti-theft protection with a patented spinning design that blocks steering and safeguards the airbag. It helps prevent keyless theft and fits most vehicles with steering wheels measuring 13.7 inches to 15.3 inches. The package includes 3 keys and an official sticker, backed by a 3-year mechanical warranty for lasting security and peace of mind. Number 5. LANMODO Night Vision System. This dash cam features a Sony sensor with ultra-low light night vision, delivering clear footage at 0.0001 lux with an f1.0 aperture and 7-layer lens. It supports 1,350 feet night visibility, loop recording with H.265 plus compression, and adjustable G-sensor emergency locking for accident evidence. The 24-hour parking mode protects your vehicle with motion detection and low-voltage safety. Built with a supercapacitor, it operates reliably in extreme temperatures and harsh weather conditions. Number 4. Universal Car Mount. This phone mount features a patented one-touch locking system for quick one-handed operation. The universal cradle fits most smartphones and cases, while the magnetic cable organizer keeps charging cords tidy. An upgraded telescopic arm extends from 5 to 8 inches and rotates 260 degrees for adjustable and optimal viewing angles on the road. Number 3. Nulaxy Bluetooth Car Adapter. This Bluetooth FM transmitter enhances in-car audio and hands-free calling with a large display showing essential driving information. It features an upgraded microphone for clearer calls and supports music streaming through multiple input options. Adjustable treble and bass settings improve sound quality, while synchronized lighting adds a dynamic effect. Equipped with a port, it provides fast and efficient charging for compatible devices during travel. Number 2. Tire valve valve stem caps. These skull-shaped tire valve caps combine a durable plastic shell with a copper core for enhanced corrosion resistance. A built-in rubber seal helps maintain an airtight fit and prevents loosening from vibration. The unique design adds a decorative touch while remaining easy to install. Compatible with most vehicles, including cars and bikes, they offer both protection and style in a compact and gift-ready package. Number 1. MeeFar Rooftop Cargo Carrier. This rooftop cargo bag prioritizes safety with included door hooks and a combination lock for secure travel. Constructed from heavy-duty 800 DPVC tarpaulin, it offers full waterproof and tear-resistant protection. With 20 cubic feet of spacious storage, it fits multiple luggage items and gear. Compatible with vehicles with or without roof racks, it provides a practical and secure solution for extra travel storage. Alright, that wraps up this video. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe if you have not already. Let me know in the comments which gadget you would actually add to your car. Thank you for watching.